In this video, I will show you how to use NotebookLM with outside sources to conduct in-depth research. I'll start by verifying that NotebookLM can use external content, and as confirmed by Google, the platform now has a Discover Sources feature to pull information from the web. Back in the NotebookLM dashboard, I click on Create New to start a fresh workspace. I type NotebookLM into the search bar to find new sources and let the tool perform a fast research across the web. Once the research is complete, I click View to open the Source Discovery panel, where it has found several relevant guides and papers. I'll select all 10 sources from the list and then click Import to bring them all into my notebook at once. As the sources load on the left, the notebook generates a detailed summary titled AI-Driven Academic Research and Multi-Document Retrieval Systems. I scroll down to the bottom of this overview and select a suggested question to see how NotebookLM compares to general chatbots like ChatGPT. The AI begins a multi-step analysis, examining the specifics and differentiating the capabilities of both tools based on the sources I just imported. The results explain that while ChatGPT relies on broad pre-trained data, NotebookLM works exclusively with the specific documents and web sources you provide. This approach provides a grounded context that significantly reduces the risk of AI hallucinations because every answer is linked to your chosen materials. It is a perfect solution for summarizing complex documents while maintaining high technical accuracy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.